Many farmers in developing countries want to find new markets to climb up the global food value chain. But they don't know the best way. ADB Institute recommends don't get stuck in a rut with just traditional crops. Move into organic and niche products such as Japanese cucumbers and exotic herbs. The worldwide demand for new, exotic, and healthy foods is insatiable. Improve the quality of local seed industries. Farmers' cooperatives could set up warehouses and share the costs of modern processing centers for export quality produce. And buy an agro-drones, which can be used for surveying, controlling pests and weeds, and delivering produce to nearby consumers. And think about becoming contract farmers of green products for ethical global producers. With more overseas customers, your food safety and standardization will catch up to international levels, which opens you to more lucrative markets. Oh, and while you're at it, why don't you try fixing that bumpy country road so loads are not lost on their way to export? So that's what you need to sow.